Hello, and this is Les from LTG Adventures. Tonight we're out hunting with Chris, and we're gonna have some fun. First, a little zero check.
Yards. 300 yards going to the right. Or left. Sorry, left.
On this coyote, we had set up about 200 yards down the way, and these dogs were howling at us from past this gravel pit. So we snuck into the gravel pit and decided we were going to try to call him from there. The call was still back at our original spot. That's why this dog is hanging to the left so bad. He's really interested in going to that. And what do you know? I missed. I rushed a shot. So off he goes.
Damn
it. Chris made up a roof-mounted thermal for his truck, and so we were testing it out here. We did have the call running, and the funny thing was, is just before the coyote here showed up, Chris goes, "I don't know why we're scanning this way." Well, we did have guns set up outside, but we were both sitting in the truck watching. And right here, you're going to be able to see exactly when I open up the door. And there he goes. So then we actually got serious on it, and, well, you will see. Redeemed myself from the first shot. Actually redeemed myself from the first stand.
Left side, up on the hill.
I've been told to quit using the picture-in-picture, which it's distracting. So since this night, I've actually started not using the picture-in-picture, because I agree, it is getting distracting. I kind of like using it for, getting a little bit of zoom on there, but at the same time, it's just not worth it. It distracts from the video too much. I do really like the trail too. Of course, this is off Chris's homemade roof scanner. If you actually want to see how he put it together, he has a video up on his channel, One More Stand, on how he put it together, what's involved. It's a really good video. You should go check it out. You'll see some of the same footage here, because he just put this thing together. This night we were actually testing it. That's why the stand with us sitting in the truck. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and go check out One More Stand. I do go out hunting with him quite often, so go check him out. You will end up seeing a lot of crossover video footage, since we share footage when we go out hunting like this. A lot of the footage I use is from my scope. The footage he uses from his scope normally. Anyway, we will see y'all later.